Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this adorable little owl. First, connect 3 light brown pipe cleaners together. Make sure they're tightly secured. Wrap them around a pen. Repeat the same steps with a white pipe cleaner. Thread one end through the center. Thread it through both the white and brown coils. Pull it tightly toward the end. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Coil 2 more brown pipe cleaners. Thread one end through the center. Continue threading it through the middle. Then twist it tightly to secure. Tuck the ends inside. Take a white pipe cleaner and measure 8 centimeters on each side. Roll one end into a circle. Roll the other end into a circle as well. Then glue it in place. Roll a yellow pipe cleaner like this and glue it on to make one eye. Make the other eye the same way. Shape a pipe cleaner to make the ears. Trim the tips into points. Now glue them in place. Fold a 2 centimeter section to make a wing. Fold it back and forth 3 times, then lightly singe the fuzz to make a foot. Trim the tips into points. Apply glue and attach it. Repeat for the other foot. Shape an orange pipe cleaner and trim it into a point for the beak. Glue it in place, and the owl is finished. Now attach the keychain hardware. And your adorable owl keychain is complete. Super easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY tutorials.